These used to puzzle early explorers. After all, the same latitude in the northern hemisphere would be Venice or the south of France. But here, there's a glacier, the San Rafael. It moves several hundred yards a year, grinding the mountainsides, making the peaks ever steeper and sharper. It wasn't until 1962 that the source of this and other glaciers was discovered. A solid sheet of ice the size of Wales, cooling the whole region. There was a time, the last ice age, when these peaks were under the ice cap. The glaciers carved them into spines. Today, the ice has receded, and the still growing mountains are pushing higher. The peaks reach above the clouds. Every day, the warm, wet wind of the Pacific hits the mountains, is forced up, becomes cold, and delivers rain or snow. As it dries, it heads east to the Patagonian desert. Sheltered by the peaks of Torres del Paine and watered by the Melba Sanctuary for Wildlife.